that we the winner, but I never knew it. That one day I'll come this far. In the city before, and I told you before that we the winner, but I never knew it. That one day I'll come this far. Good morning, already in the bin. The club is full of gas, but niggas acting on the ceiling. My tee is polo, my pants is down low. I got my diamond ring, a skinny pen, a homo. Life is too short for you to stay broke. I told my mom it's time to get my money out of club. I know she love the sun, I know she love my Sega. Say holla to my header, I'm in my first class playing fast accelerator. I'm with my brother Jinko, I hope we see you later. Money go getter, this life is getting better. Ain't going nowhere, cause I'm riding with my trigger. Then holla back if you meet a nigga right the hood. I'm just another nigga, drill living how we do. I'm living on my future, but I'm cheating with my past. My life is neither roller coasters going up and down. I'm always in my store working with my kids around. This money keeps on coming and we're spending 3,000. Me and my crew, we bout to run the town. We bout to shut it down. Tonight is off the chain, baby, please keep the can. I said it before, and I told you before that we the winner, but I never knew it. That one day I'll come this far. In the city before, and I told you before that we the winner, but I never knew it. That one day I'll come this far.
Jana jana kamsika ningo stibandiko stika Manyana totome tome ndibale mashirini. I'm the real revelation, definition of the music. Nibakanda kazimbiro na mapafwa imazino bacha fema. Niliche na buchiva nicho mwana nidobema. Nangambona na badani na mabuzi ndo negera za umaticha pema. I got a reason why batu bachimbiza icon. Nababona ubakade kamusika bako mbirja marzino ndo bachiwa. Sexy love baby girl, I got a sexy flow. Radio neposta Tasha Daveni ni gori ho. Atingo hangu nenda vavinda kanana ndozika. Atingo tiba chpinga fetu na wupo nindi chebo. Ramzeri kozemtu wa iyo bafara wari ho. Awachari hala niga wari hala manigo. Richi bika mzika bawa fasinda soko popo. I gotta go now, I gotta wait to Canada.